Building your own polystyrene walls, like any brick or formwork structure, is no mean feat. In fact, with these walls eventually summiting to nearly 4 metres in total height, and with care and precision as our guideline, the build becomes more of a marathon than a sprint. The next course gives rise to the need for additional lengths of steel reinforcement, which is twisted on with wire ties. At the same time as these polystyrene walls continue to climb, the old shack starts its reincarnation too. After the insulation foil is stapled into place, dabs of ultra-strength adhesive are slathered on, before the water-resistant particle board is finally laid and nailed into place. The timber frame is next to go up, and its size quickly brings into focus the mammoth task of constructing this home.
It's really exciting actually to see it all happening. It's a really big roof. I didn't realise it was going to be that big.
With the benefit of some added hands on site with the carpenters around, the next concrete pour is due that same afternoon. In the baking heat, we patted and slapped this course into completion. We were now well on the way to the final course of block work, taking us finally to the finished roof height.
It all went well today.
All went well, yeah.
Not a problem at all actually. It's all nice and plumb and beautiful. It's just 4 hours in the baking.
Well, I'll tell you
heat.
what it is doing. No, it's making my hair fall out. You know, I'm losing hair over this.
You're trying to be funny and it's
No,
not
it's
working.
not working, is
No,
it?
it's
Oh,
not
well.
working.
After this pour, a quick top-up of the Thermacell blocks was in order to stockpile for the final exhausting leg of wall construction. But first, the steel beams for the lounge room would need to be wheeled and lifted into place. This steel, specified by our engineer, was necessary to support the clear-story window that sits atop of the main living room, and is designed to bathe this area in natural light. As we begin the final ascent, the aid of a ladder and a scaffold is required. The job becomes a tandem two-man team, with one cutting down below and the other working up on the scaffold. The openings are then framed up for the final concrete pour. With our steel ligatures tied on too. These ligatures are cut and bent into shape on site and are tied on to create reinforcement cages for the concrete over these window and door openings, forming super strength lintel beam supports once cured. Lastly, we fashion our own on-site timber braces that we use to sandwich and support the walls for the final pour ahead. This pour will be the biggest of all, and at 6 rows high, it will require around 35 tonnes of concrete in all. After nearly 5 weeks of working long days in the elements, 7 days a week, the physical toll of construction was becoming evident.
Oh, look, the whole thing's taking a lot longer than I expected. I thought we'd be past this point by now, but we're still not. Just seem to be dragging our heels, and yet we're working all the time, so it's just not going as I'd hoped, but that's today. Maybe tomorrow I'll feel better about it, but today I just want to get on with it.
With our rookie expectations of finishing the walls in an unrealistic 3 weeks, being closer to double that at 6 weeks in total meant we were mentally unprepared for the actual size of the task at hand for both of us.
Can we not do this now? Got so much to do, it's not funny. I'm really not in the mood. Can we not do this? We've got bracing to put on, got more bricks to put on. We'll do it tomorrow, seriously. Talk tomorrow.
Before too long, over and over, the final blocks and bracing start to fall into place. And as nighttime follows day, we're closing in. Soon, a finished home suddenly comes into view, with trusses and a roof all that is necessary now to shut the shade in. The final pour day arrives, and with a morning's work to tweak the last pieces of bracing, the finish line is just hours away. With the arrival of the Wholesome truck and our concrete pumps hooked up, it was time for the final pour. Watching this concrete flow was the moment that cemented our achievement. 1,000 or more blocks all carefully cut and locked together over 6 solid weeks, mostly at the hands of just Dad and I. With the Herculean task of building our own walls officially set in stone, our bodies weren't quite feeling as strong. Well, it's 7:30 and we started at 6 o'clock. We poured about 16 cubic metres, so what's that, about 34 tonnes of concrete. And we came pretty close to the wire and I'm tired. I can't be bothered.
We worked solidly all day and finally these walls are up and done. Thank you. Good night. That's it. Bye-bye.
For more information about this series, please visit www.toppropertytv.com.au.